Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will be talking about how we can install Apache Druid and consume data from Apache Kafka into Apache Druid. And then in next video, we will be talking about how we can carry forward it to Superset. So let's start with Druid. So for Druid, we will just go with the steps that we have mentioned in this documentation, just like other videos. So here I am, Kafka service is running. So I was just checking if it was running. Hopefully it will not show anything or it will not take much time. It's going to update and upgrade. Now it needs Java, so we will check if Java is installed. If not, we will install it. Otherwise, I have installed because even Kafka needs Java, so this must be installed. We have this directory created, so I'm just going to go inside the app directory. Here you can see we already have Kafka from previous videos, so I'm going to just download Druid. Let me quickly change it. Okay, so the download is completed. So let's see what we have. It created this file. I'm going to delete it. It was created by mistake. And we're going to unzip the Druid file. Oops. Druid. So we are now unzipping the Druid. Now let's remove unnecessary files. So first thing is remove Apache bin dash star.gz. This is the zip file that I removed, and I am going to rename to just Druid. Now we can see we just have two folders. One is Kafka, one is Druid. So let's move inside Druid and just simply run this command. There is no Druid, just bin. So just here, I will edit it. It says skip port check 1. So there is something that needs to be done if you cannot start because it's already in used. Is there another Druid ready? Colon, what was the port? 2181. There's nothing. Let it be. I'm going to do skip port check 1 and run it. Again, same thing happened. So let me do this. Let's see whatever happens. We will see. That should not be an issue for now. Let's wait for a few moments. See, the data is available, like test topic and price. Now let's parse the data. We're going to specify the input format as JSON, as the data we are sending is in JSON format. By default, it will handle all the things for the JSON and it will convert it into columns. So you can see the price, name, and timestamp that we are sending. This is how it will be. Now, next step is pass the time. It by default selected what is the time. So I'm going to keep it as it is. And we are going to say transform. So you can see we have time. So it is today's date. And this is the different, this is something different time zone. So that's why it is 5:32. let's filter. We don't have any filter, so I'm going to keep it as it is. Next, configure schema. Granularity, let me check what it is. It is like, it is not even minute, not even second. So let me check second. Or let it be. I'm not going to select anything here. Let's have it none. Partition, this is something that we will need. So I'm just going to select it as our. This is something that will come when you have very large data set and if you're working on production and you need to optimize everything. So in that case, we will work on this kind of things. But for now, I'm not going to look at anything. So this is also I'm going to skip. This needs to be selected and publish. We are going to submit it. Now you can see it is running and it is constantly sending data into Druid. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to query this thing. There is some issue definitely. So let me try to query. If it works, then you don't have to look into it. So you can see the data is continuously coming. So the last data that we have received is this, and all the data is same because we are considering the market real-time data using last price. Let me stop it, and instead of sending last price because today market is closed, I'm going to do it in resist. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take historical data and just randomize one value and send it to Kafka. So now you can see it is 275.25. It is of 1 day. So in 1 day, so last market working day, it will select any price and it will just send it to Kafka. So now if I run it, you can see the values are changing. And if the market is open, so this is for something that I'm trying to get data, variable data when the market is closed. But otherwise, if you just uncomment this part, it should give you latest price, whatever the last price when this was executed. And we're running it every 12 seconds because we notice that the data is changing around 10 to 11 seconds. So 1 second spare time we have sent, otherwise it will be just duplicated. So this is how we will get data from Apache Kafka into Apache Druid. So if you have any question, please don't hesitate to comment. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.